Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So the big fundamental news coming in this week is that CPI data tomorrow is expected to drop, well, to hold at 3%, expected not to drop any more than that at the moment. But the Fed has no more room apparently to keep their monetary policy as it is. It is expected, well, they are expected in their September meeting to cut their rate by at least 50 basis points now if the rumors are true, because with the sentiment shifting that the US is heading for a recession, the Fed will have to act pretty quick, and that's driven gold quite high substantially for another record. Obviously, with tensions going on in the Middle East as well, this isn't helping bears, especially in the metal market, after it's really starting excuse me, to move into the overbought territory at the moment. But we'll wait and see if we do get another peak above the previous record high, just above 24.80, just trading $20 or around that below that particular area. So we'll wait and see if that's going to have any indication. Obviously, CPI data is a really big factor when we're looking at the dollar and the gold markets as well. So looking on the chart, like I said, we're just waiting for another peak higher. But I'm just going to keep bringing you back these weekly charts that I've been looking at the moment. Like I said, we had this first record high, then the second one, then the third one. Now we are expected to have another record high with gold, and we are expected to possibly jump to roughly about 2,500, which isn't really out of the scope. It's roughly only about $30 to $40 away. So with that being said, this could easily be another push higher for the yellow metal. Let's just look on the 4-hour chart at the moment. Obviously, with tensions simmering in the Middle East and the Fed really not giving too many signals away, but they will have to actually start acting if we do get a decent CPI reading as well. Obviously, NFP figures last time around were very damaging to the economy, and obviously traders and economists alike were wondering if the recession will come sooner rather than later. So the Fed will pretty much have to act at the moment. So we're just looking at this kind of triple top. We did have a bit of a miss here. We'll see if we have another miss, but at the moment this is a very firm resistance, as you can see here from the last time around that we hit, and we're just simmering lower at the moment before a potential move higher, but we'll just wait and see how much higher that will go. Looking on the dollar index as well, we're just seeing now, if we just bring it out to the daily chart, this has really been very volatile in the last few sessions, really indecisive after hitting a top and trying to push for another top not so long ago. We are now seeing ourselves in a little bit of a dissension at the moment, and as you can see here, we've broken out of that particular level, and we'll wait and see if we get back into the channel. But at the moment, as you can see, this spike here falling just above the 102 area, which is quite significant as well for the American economy. So let me know your thoughts. Are America slipping into a recession? Will we have a rate cut by the Fed in September, and how aggressive will it be? And also, where do we go next with the tensions in the Middle East? How will that affect gold going forward into the rest of the year? Don't forget, only 4 months, I had to just check myself then, only 4 months, 4.5 months until the end of the year. So we'll have to wait and see if that's going to have any big implication as we go into 2025. Allegedly, there's going to be a lot more rate cuts by the Fed in 2025, but we'll see, get the first one underway, and then we'll see where we go from there. So as usual, this video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.